Hi, Skylar.
Hi, sweet. She likes the cheeky.
You love your baby sister?
Yeah.
Give her a kiss?
No.
Oh, she's smiling.
She's smiling.
Smiling. Aww. Sweet girl.
That's good, Dad.
She's soft, is that what you said?
That's soft in the... Hey! A finger! That's a finger! Ah! It's a monster!
What's your baby sister's name?
A baby sister name.
No, what's her name?
It's that baby Skylar.
Baby Skylar.
Yeah.
Do you love your sister?
Yeah, mommy sister.
You love her?
Yeah!
You gonna give her a kiss?
No!
Say bye-bye.
So bye.
Say bye, Skylar. Bye. Say bye, pretty girl.
Hi, Peter.
Don't put your hands on her face. Give her a kiss.
No, I want it.
Okay, well, bye, Skylar. Bye-bye.
Bye.